Hello students, today we are going to solve the first numerical of leveling. Question is given as, to find the RL of roof slab of building, staff readings were taken from a particular setup of the leveling instrument. The readings were 1.050 meter with staff on the benchmark and 2.300 meter with staff below the roof slab and held inverted. The reduced level of benchmark is 135.15 meter. The RL of the roof slab will be. Now we have to calculate the RL of roof slab. For this we need to draw the diagram like this. That is the instrument station, or we can just say that this is the level. Now we had taken the reading on a benchmark whose RL is already known, that is 135.15 meter. That will be the RL of benchmark. Now the benchmark reading is already given, which will be equals to 1.050 meter. Now one roof slab is there, that is like this, and a staff is held inverted like this, and from the top this reading will be equals to 2.300 meter. Now we need to calculate the RL of the roof slab. So RL of roof slab will be equals to RL of benchmark, that is 135.15 meter, plus benchmark staff reading, that is 1.050 meter, plus the staff reading which will be held inverted at the roof slab, that is this staff. The reading will be 2.300. On adding all this value, we will get the answer as 138.50 meter. That will be the RL of roof slab. We had completely solved this numerical and we had determined the value of reduced level of roof slab, which will be equals to 138.50 meter. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.